Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. This video is for the students. My dear students, this is for you, especially if you are having fourth year BMS. If you are not, you can send this video to all your friends who are studying BAMS and having in the year of last year professional course, that is fourth year BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. I welcome you, myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine, that is Kaya Chikitsa, and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology, that is Kriya Sharir. So, this video is regarding the research methodology and medical statistics, which is a very important subject in the fourth year BMS, short and sweet subject. So, my always appeal to the students that if they want to get a success in the examination and success in the practice, they must study the syllabus of that particular subject, learn by heart. पाठ करून टाका, पाठ कर दीजिए. हाँ, और दूसरी बात ऐसी है कि you must see the past question papers not only of your university but all the universities available question papers on the internet of all over the India, because the syllabus for BMS course is throughout India. It is very same. So you study each and every paper. That will definitely boost your confidence. So this video is very short regarding fourth year BMS Research and Stat MUHS, Maharashtra University of Health Sciences. Okay, so if you want paid online private tuitions, then you can WhatsApp me for Ayurveda Academy 922681060. I work with the many doctors. I work with the many professors. So anybody can help you in that particular respect. So research question paper, summer 2018. SAQ of 4 marks. Miracles of Ashwini Kumar, Vaidya of the god. Ashwini Kumar Vaidya. What miracles they have done. Then next is Anveshana. This is the typical word for research. Word in Sanskrit is called as Anveshan. You have to explain what is meant by Anu and Ashan. Okay. Review of the literature. How the review of this particular solving the question papers is nothing but the review of literature. Very interesting. You can give this example. If you want to do any research, you have to see which are the researches already done on that particular subject. For example, if you want to study the relation between the smoking and the cancer of the lungs, then you must see which are the best papers already published in this respect. And then you can make some difference, and then you can start the study that particular research project. I will not say that you cannot repeat the researches to confirm the findings, but they should not be exactly copied. Plagiarism should not be there. There must be your own innovation in that particular research module. Or you can say that is a part of multi-centric trial, which I am conducting again the same experiment in a different area, different locality. So review of literature. This particular research methodology and medical statistics subject is very useful when you will do the MD post-graduation or MS in Ayurveda. So study this subject very interestingly. Review of literature. You have to study Charaka Grantha, Sushruta, Vagbhata, Ashtang Hridaya, Ashtang Sangra, Bruhattatrayi and Laghutrayi to find out the material of your research. What are the references in Charak Samhita? What are the references in Sushruta Samhita? Then you also search for the important international peer-reviewed journals. For example, Lancet. So this type of the journals you have to also mention as a literature review. Even you can study the Vedas. Then observational research. I have to just observe. For example, I want to see in the society. Which Prakriti has a more predisposition for corona pandemic. Which type of the Prakriti is more prone. So what I will do, I will just collect the data of the patients who are suffered from the corona, and I will determine their Prakriti. And then I will analyze my data and will say that this particular Prakriti is more prone for the corona epidemic. Okay. Then Ayush portal. You must study what is Ayush portal. Internet. Ayush. What is Ayush? This is a special department by central government of India. Ayurveda, then yoga, Unani, Siddha, and homeopathy. All these branches are uncovered by this Ayush department. Then SAQ for 8 marks. Write the importance of research in Ayurveda. I will say that there are very interesting audio lectures of Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande are available on my Ayurveda Academy channel. Please, you go to the playlist and type the word research. Then you will get my nearly 10-15 lectures on research methodology and medical statistics. Although they are audios, listen carefully, download them, put it in your mobile and go on listening. You will get a fantastic fast revision of both the subjects, research methodology and medical statistics. I have already uploaded all these audios on my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. So don't forget to see those audios. Okay. Then write in detail the role of Pramana as a research tool. Pratyaksha Pramana, Anumana Pramana, Yukti Pramana, how those can be used. Anumana Pramana. For example, if a personal a Chandra Prabha tablet is getting the better effects on the blood sugar level, then I can make a Anuman logical thinking that Chandra Prabha tablet can be very well applied for the diabetes mellitus patient. Then some things I can find out directly, pratyaksha. Okay, so these are the pramanas that we can use for the research purpose. Next, SAQ for each having the 4 marks. First is a data. Data is the information, collection of the information. I personally feel that each and every doctor of Ayurveda, when they are treating the patients very skillfully, very intellectually and successfully, each Vaidya should have the very graceful data of all their patients on the computer, on the cloud. So that information can be procured by the Ayush department and then they can differentiate or make a postulates on the particular findings of the different Vaidyas. So many Vaidyas are using Arogyavardhini all over the world, all over the India especially, Arogyavardhini tablet. Some are using for the liver problems. Some are using for the skin problem. Some are using for the Rasayana Chikitsa. So that data should be collected from all over the India, the data of the Ayurvedic doctors, and then some inferences can be drawn regarding the uses of different medicines of Ayurveda. Chandra Prabha tablet, Sruta Shekhar tablet, Arogyavardhini tablet, Vasanta Kusumakar, Suvarnamalini Vasanta, different. You have to collect the data only, data. Okay. Then histogram, typical presentation of your research finding. Arithmetic mean, what is mean? Chi-square test, you have to explain that. Write the importance of medical statistics with examples, especially the birth rate, death rate, etc., etc. Right? Classification of variability. So this is very short video regarding the important questions of research methodology and medical statistics for 4th year BMS. But this video will also be useful for MD and MS post-graduation who are the first year of MD, first year of MS. They should also see this video and prepare your research and medical statistics basis on this particular questionnaire. So I am very much thankful for your kind support for my YouTube channel, that is Ayurveda Academy. I request all of you to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you are the new visitor to my channel. I wish all the best to my students for their examination and for their practice. Thank you very much.